quick video on HTC, not the mobile phone, but the home internet provider exclusive to the Myrtle Beach area. So if you come across it, hopefully this video will help you out. So they serve the surrounding counties, Horry, Georgetown, and Marion, almost entirely fiber internet. Recently just had a friend get it installed, so it's kind of what you would expect. So they also do TV and phone, but can't really demo that. We just got internet. So pretty much the tech is going to run fiber from the street to this low voltage box, media cabinet, whatever you want to call it. Now, if you don't have this box somewhere, they're probably just going to run fiber somewhere on the street side of the house. So fiber gets to this ONT. It's kind of like a cable modem, but for fiber. They provide it free of charge, and they run a cable to the router they provide. But let's just be honest, you can go to Best Buy and pick up whatever router you want, like an Eero or anything like that. I heard it's a bit more expensive than Spectrum, but I'll be 100% honest with y'all. It is way better. I work from home, and Spectrum is very much unreliable. So hopefully this video gives you guys an idea of what to expect, how to answer questions.